Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if it coming across an issue or pop-up that say something wrong with loading the DC underscore WFF.dll. So the DC underscore WFF.dll is a part of the TWCU or TP-Link wireless configurations utility, and causes of this error are missing, corrupt or not registered properly, corrupt installations of conflicting applications. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to re-register the DC underscore WFF.dll file. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, so we need to enter and type this command keyword regsbr32 space /u space dc underscore wff.dll. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command keyword, and then paste in here Ctrl+B, and then press enter. Alright, and the other keyword that we need to enter, so copy this another command keyword regsbr32 space /I space dc underscore wff.dll. So copy that one, and then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And once you enter this two command keyword, and then next step, so we need to enter also this command keyword as fc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker or sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And then we need to complete the verifications. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so we need to close this cmd, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart again our PC. Alright, so click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix something wrong when loading the DC underscore WFF.dll error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.